Here I will show you how to write a C++ program. Since I have already Turbo C++ software, so I will directly click here, then start Turbo C++. Now you can see a blue screen, this screen. So start with new file. This is already new file. If you can see this screen, then you go to file, then new. Okay, this is for closing this blue screen, and this is for full screen mode. Okay, now you write the program, welcome message program. So start with the first tab. So first we have to include console input output header file. So hash include con io.h, then hash next step include what iostream.h. After that you have to start void main function, it is function, so first parenthesis, then curly braces start. After that we want to display a welcome message, any message you can write. So here I will write cout. This is just a display message, so I have started with cout object. Okay, if you have any mathematical calculation, here first you have to declare the variable and initialize the variable if needed. Okay, so now here this is not a calculations, not a mathematical part, so directly this is a display message, so I will start with cout. Cout is always used for display the output. Okay, so what we want to display, start with whatever you want to display, you always start with double quotation mark statement. Okay, so double quotation mark, then the message is say welcome say to the world of C++ programming language, then double quotation close, then and do it a semicolon. You remember this thing, semicolon, always we have to end the statement with a semicolon. Okay, after that get ch function, so then semicolon, then curly brace close. Now see, when you write the program, you always maintain the indentation. Indentation means the style of the program, writing style of the program. Wherever you will start curly brace, in that alignment only you close the curly brace. Okay, and wherever you start the statement, in that alignment only you start the other statements also. Okay, so this is your indentation. This writing style is known as indentation. After writing the program, now your work is to save the file. So go to save, or you can click on F2 file. Now see, here already .cpp is here, and if you remove this one, click here, then remove this one, up to here you remove. See, C colon backslash turbo C3 backslash bin slash. Now you give your file name. So your file will be saved within the bin folder of C drive. Okay, turbo C folder, then bin folder, then your file. So you give any file name, say this is my first program, so first program P1, then dot cpp. Okay, you remember this one. You don't forget to write the extension .cpp. Okay, then click OK. Now see here, your file has been saved as first p1.cpp. Okay, after saving the file, now you compile it. But either you can click on compile tab or you can click on Alt F9. See here, Alt F9. So compile. Now success. If you are writing any wrong statement here, if you wrote any wrong statement here, then you can see the error message here. Now there is no error in the program, so success is the message. Now press any key. I am pressing the enter key. Done. Compiling is the most important part of any C or C++ program, because with the help of the compiler, we can translate our high level language to the low level language. I have already discussed this thing. So after compiling this, now our work is to run the program. So run, or you can press Ctrl F9. So run. Now see. Welcome to the world of C++ programming language. This is my welcome message, and I want to display this message, so this is my output. Press enter. Now see here, in the output we get, you can see in the output we get another message. Okay, so what we can do, we can clear the screen, and for clearing the screen, and CLR/SCR function we can use. I have already discussed in console input output header file, we get some extra functions for appearing utilizing the program. So write CLR/SCR means clear screen function, semicolon. Then CLR/SCR, get ch, these two functions are included in console input output header file. That's why we have defined this header file. We included this header file in the program. Otherwise, these two functions, CLR/SCR and gets function, will not work here. Okay, now you can see the output. Compile, success, run. See, in the blank screen you can see only the output. So this is the function of CLR/SCR function. Okay, so in this way you can write many programs. This is your first program. Later on we will do some mathematical problems also.